Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you ever struggle with solving DSA problem, you are not alone. Today I am going to show you a step-by-step approach to tackle any DSA problem like a pro. Stay till the end because we are also solve a real DSA problem together. Let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding the problem. The first step to solving a DSA problem is understanding the problem statement. Read it carefully and ask yourself, what are the input and output? Are there any constant or edge cases to consider? What is the expected time complexity? Let's take a simple example. Problem. Given an array of integers, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. Sounds simple, right? But let's break it down properly. Before jumping into optimized solution, try to think of a brute force approach. Might not be the most efficient, but it's a good starting point. Brute force for two sum. Now we have function that is two sums and the array is nums and target. First we iterate over the array nums. So for I in range, length of nums, and for j in range I plus 1 to length of nums. Now we check if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target. If it is possible, we return the indices of I and j. Otherwise, we return the blank. So this approach checks every pairs, making it order of n square in time complexity. Not ideal for large input, but if you are beginner, it is good for you. Part 3. Optimize the solution. Now let's optimize. Instead of checking every pair, we can use a HashMap dictionary in Python to store values and their indices. This reduces the time complexity to order of n. Optimized solution using HashMap. Def two sums nums and target. HashMaps for I nums and enumerate nums. Complement equal to target minus nums. If complement in HashMap, return HashMap of complement and HashMaps of nums equal to I. So now instead of looping twice, we are doing it in single pass. Part 4. Test with edge cases. Always test your code with different cases. Normal case, like we have an array and we have a target. So in this case, the output will be 0 and 1. Edge cases 3 or 3 and 3. We only have a 2 element. So target will be 6. So in this case, we check the length of the array. If the length of the array is 2 and we not iterate on the array, we just check array of 0 plus array of 1 is equal to target value, then return the indices of 0 and 1, otherwise return false. Okay, so and case 3. So in this case, like we have array 1 2 3 and target is 10. So in this case, no two elements are making the sum equals to target value. Like, so these are the three different edge cases that we should check in code. Testing ensure your code is robust and bug free. Part 5. General approach to any DSA problem. Let's recap the step to solve any DSA problem. Number 1. Understand the problem carefully. Number 2. Think of a brute force solution first. Number 3. Optimize it using data structure and algorithm. Number 4. Write clean code and test with multiple cases. So follow this and you will start solving DSA problem with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more such videos, also drop a comment if you have any DSA problem you want me to solve in the next video. See you in the next time.